Often people believe that a cavity is only real when it starts to hurt. But that's far from the truth. In fact, dental pain isn't always the first indicator of a cavity. It's a common misconception that a toothache signals the onset of tooth decay. However, by the time you feel pain, the cavity has often reached a severe stage. Instead, early signs could be as subtle as a slight change in tooth color or the presence of a sticky spot that your tongue keeps finding. These are signs of what we dentists call incipient decay. It's the early stage of a cavity when the decay hasn't penetrated the dentin, the layer beneath your tooth enamel. Catching a cavity at this point can help prevent further damage and can often be reversed with proper dental care. So don't wait for the pain to tell you that you have a cavity. Waiting too long to fill a cavity can lead to more complications and higher expenses. Now you might be thinking it's just a small cavity. What's the worst that could happen? Well, let me tell you, it's not as simple as it seems. When left untreated, that small cavity can progress into a larger issue. You might end up needing a root canal, a dental procedure that's not only more invasive, but also more expensive than a simple filling. And it doesn't stop there. Cavities are like uninvited guests at the party. Once they're in, they start inviting their friends. Cavities can spread to neighboring teeth, leading to more cavities. When cavities are not treated, you can have a painful pus-filled sac at the root of your tooth. Not a pleasant situation, right? So the question is, why wait? Why let a small issue turn into a big problem? As you can see, waiting can make things a lot worse. Getting a filling as soon as possible is not only cost-effective, but also a quick solution that saves more of your natural teeth. Here's the deal. When you opt for a filling at the first sign of a cavity, you're choosing a straightforward, budget-friendly path to oral health. It's a win-win. This simple procedure takes less than an hour and can save you from a host of dental issues down the line. Now consider this. If you wait, you're not just risking more expensive treatments like root canals or crowns, but you're also increasing the chances of tooth breakage or cracking. That's right, an untreated cavity weakens the tooth, leaving it vulnerable like an eggshell. It may crack under pressure, meeting the painful consequences. So the long and short of it, don't wait for the pain to tell you it's time for a filling early. Action can save your tooth and your wallet. In severe cases, waiting too long to fill a cavity might even lead to tooth extraction. Now let's pause for a moment to reflect on the gravity of this scenario. Tooth extraction isn't as simple as pulling out a bad tooth and moving on. It's a serious dental procedure with its own set of complications and after effects. Once a tooth is removed, it leaves a gap in your dental structure. This gap can cause the surrounding teeth to shift, leading to bite problems and an array of other complications. Moreover, a missing tooth can affect your ability to chew food properly and may also impact your speech and smile. In addition to these physical challenges, tooth extraction often comes with emotional distress. Let's face it, losing a tooth can be a significant blow to one's self-esteem. But here's the good news. All of this is preventable. Regular checkups, early detection, and timely fillings can save your teeth and spare you from these consequences. Prevention is better than cure, especially when the cure is tooth extraction. Waiting for pain to act on a cavity can escalate the issue and lead to more severe consequences. It's like waiting for the roof to collapse before fixing a leak. Don't let a small cavity turn into a root canal, or worse, a tooth extraction. Instead, let's take a proactive stance. Regular dental checkups are your safety net. They help intercept decay in its early stages even before you realize there's a problem. It's recommended to visit your dentist at least twice a year. Think of it as an investment in your dental health. Acting early helps you preserve the healthy structure of your teeth. And it's a long-term strategy that pays off quite literally. The cost of a simple filling pales in comparison to more extensive dental work. So don't wait for the pain to act. Your dental health is not just about a dazzling smile. It's about overall well-being.